Hi everyone, this is G Lynn from the Find the Money, Save the Money video blog. I want to talk to you today about a couple of things that you have seen me promote. I have this rule about the way I circulate money. Remember, I told you I was going to stop using the word spend. I'm going to use the word circulate. I have a rule about the way I circulate money. When I purchase things, I make sure that those companies circulate money back to me. Now, the reason I have a zero here is because a lot of you, when you are purchasing things, you're not getting anything back, you're getting zero. Whereas if you go with companies like eBay, they pay you $10 for joining, which is free. And I know $10 doesn't sound like a lot of money, but $10 is more than what you had. And also, they're going to pay you cash back for everything that you purchased through their website or through the stores that they promote. And they promote over 2,000 stores. Now, I did a video on how to use your debit card when you go shopping. Of course, instead of using it as a debit card with a pin, you put it in like a credit card, and you want to register that, link that card to Ebates. Another company is Doge. They also pay you cash back for when you purchase through their link also. And the thing about it is you can join more than one company. Another one is iBots. Now, the reason I talk about this is because a lot of people feel like $5, $10 is not a lot of money. But when you add it up, it can actually help you out a lot. Another company I talk about is Digit. Digit is a savings company, and what it does is it automatically transfers money from your checking account to a savings account. And the great thing about Digit, it does it without you even thinking about it. Now, a lot of you may think, well, what's the big deal? Let's put it to you this way. Let's say every day for 30 days, and you can pick different accounts. You can, if you choose to, you can have an account that says, they have one called a rainy day account. I really don't like the word rainy day because that means you say you're going to have rainy days. But that's one of the first accounts that it does on its own. But you can have multiple accounts connected to Digit. So you could say, well, I want a travel account. I have one called a travel account, and I have one called Just Because. And the reason I have those accounts set up because anytime I want to do something, I say, just because I feel like it. No, it don't have to be a special reason. So what I did was I said, okay, well, you're going to transfer $2 a day to all three accounts. Now that don't sound like a lot of money, but that's $6 a day. $6 a day don't sound like a lot, but when you add it up, I want you to think about this. $6 every day for 30 days is going to give you $180. Now, a lot of people think $180 isn't a lot, but when you calculate it over the year, you're talking about over $1,000. Now, without you even realizing you've done it, you spend that much a lot of times on a cup of coffee. So imagine this, you take the money you save from Ebates, well, the cash back you get from Ebates, or the cash back you get from Doge, or the cash back you get from iBots, and you say, I want that money to go into Digit. Now, Digit is going to pay you $5 for joining. Ebates is going to pay you $10 for joining. And I'm going to apologize. I know Doge pays between $5 and $10 just for joining. iBots pays between $5 and $10 just for joining. And all three of these are free. Now, Digit does cost you $2.99 a month. Now, I want you to think about $2.99. Wow. That's not a lot of money when a lot of you are spending $60 to $70 on cable. Now, I'm going to be real with you today. I'm not going to be all funny, haha, like I was when I did my little New Year's Eve video. I'm going to be real with you. $2.99, like I said, a lot of you spend it on cable, and cable's not doing anything for you. I have come to the conclusion with looking with the government shutdowns and looking at how GM is deciding they're going to close companies. And like I said, even situations with my own employment. You have to set yourself up where you are going to have extra sources of income. These are little bitty changes. Yes, you should be trying to also start your own online business, which I'll talk about later. But today I'm going to talk about little bitty changes. Do you really want 2019 to be the same as 2018 if you did not make some financial choices? Because technically, what most people don't know, you should have at least 3 months worth of savings in your account just in case your job decides they want to kick you out. And you don't have to do anything wrong to be kicked out. Right now, they're telling some government employees they have to go to work every day and they're not going to get a paycheck. So I'm going to keep it 100 for you. We have to understand, if you are not a multimillionaire, you are part of the working class, there's a saying, you are 1 paycheck or 2 paychecks away from homelessness. Do you know $250 will keep most people out of bankruptcy? So if you're going to go to a store and circulate your money, make that store circulate that money back to you. Ebates, Doge, iBot. And then, like I said, you can go to Digit and start having money go directly into an account that's going to help you build your financial future. Now, I'm going to put a link that's going to connect you to all these companies. Like I said, you can go from zero. Now, like I said, some people don't think $5 is a lot of money, but the thing about these companies, they will pay you for referring people. Some pay $25, anywhere from $5 to $25 just for you referring other people to them. So again, these are the things you need to look at, making small, just tiny, tiny steps in your finances to reach a financial goal, whatever it is. I don't know what your financial goal is. It could be to get out of debt. It could be just to have money in your savings account in case your job tells you goodbye. But again, I'm going to put a link attached to this video, and what that link is going to do is going to click on it and you're going to be able to join any one of these companies. You don't have to join all 4 if you don't want to. That's fine. But I would suggest you at least join Ebates, Doge, and iBots, because those companies are going to pay you when you go shopping. This is G-Lynn saying, I hope I helped you find the money. Have a great 2019.